In this video, I will explain how to create and get the API key in Google AI Studio. So first of all, we will open that studio, and for that we will search for Google AI Studio on Google like this, and here we will click on this Google AI Studio, and you will get the interface something like this. And also you would need to sign in using your Gmail account. Here I have already done that. Now once we are logged in, we need to click on this option, which is this Get API Key. So this is how it will look like. And in the right side, you will have all the API keys which you have created till now. So currently I have not created any API key, so that's why it is showing empty. Now to create the key, we will click on this option, Create API Key. And here it is saying, select a project from your existing Google Cloud projects. So if you already have projects in your Google Cloud, then it will show this option like this, where we will search a project in the search option, and the created key will be attached to that particular project only. But in case you are creating this key for the first time and you do not have any project on Google Cloud, then it will show you two options like this, like I am showing here. So the second option will be similar to this, where you need to search for a project and you would select that project and attach the created key with that particular project. But if you go ahead with the first option, then it will create a brand new project on Google Cloud, and the created API key will be attached to that new project only. So according to your use case, you can go ahead with any one of the option. Now for me, I have only this one option. So as soon as I click over here, it will show me all the projects which I have on the Google Cloud. So let's select the project. So let's say I am selecting this Gemini API project, and then I will click on this Create API key in my existing project. So this is generating the API key for me, and the key is generated successfully. Now I will copy the key from here and keep it in a safe place. And you should also keep this safely and not share with someone. And I am also showing you this key for this demo purpose only, and after the tutorial I will discard this key. So once we have copied this key, we will close this dialog box from here. Now in the upcoming videos, we will use this key and create multiple projects. So if you are interested in that, then you can subscribe the channel. Now let's say you close that dialog box by mistake, or you missed the key, then you can just click on this API key and you can access the key again. So let me close this again. Now there is one more thing related to billing, that sometimes it shows paid plan here in this billing section. So if I refresh this page, then currently for me it is showing free, but it might be possible that it is showing paid for you. So in that case also it is fine until and unless you have not set up the billing method in your Google Cloud project. And even after that, if you have set up the billing details over the Google Cloud, then also you do not need to worry until you keep the usage within the free tier threshold limits. So I will discuss about the pricing and these threshold limits in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned for those. And again, if you are interested in these areas, then I would suggest you to subscribe the channel and do hit the like button if this video was useful to you.